Hi guys, good morning to everyone. I am Sambalpuria Pilla. Welcome to my blog again. Dear friends, it's morning now and I gonna to show you my upstairs and the place where I sometime am out, right? You can see the place. Okay. I'm at a very small town, right? This town is called Banjnagar, right? And this pretty place is situated in Ganjam district of Odisha. Now you can see here, okay, very thin now, no people moving around, very small, very small number of people are moving around. Okay, so this is the place I wanted to show you, and it's my upstairs. Looks very old but very modest, right? So how is the scenic beauty over here? I gonna to show you this way, right? You can see the people around. Okay, so what about you? Have you woke up till now or not? Yeah, so this blog I wanted to show you my place and the place where I work out, right? It's a very nice place, right? Very nice place. You might be listening the cawing, right? Caw, the sound of the crow. It's very beautiful in the alam, a kind of natural alam, right? Should try to speak out some English sentences out of these natural things, right? So I'm here to tell you that how can we make sentences randomly without thinking, without having any ideas about, right? We can make it a number of things we can do like this. Okay, there might be a problem here. The problem is that you may be following shortage of ideas, right? In this time, what happened when we suddenly come up to speak something, that time we struggle for the ideas to come off, right? Suppose I gonna to explain you something on any particular thing, that time if I don't have any idea and go on explaining, then there is obvious problem that I will fall shortage of words, I will fall shortage of ideas, and I will struggle for the ideas, right? Let's suppose okay, suppose I have to say something, right? The peoples are moving all around and we could see a person there, right? Okay, I thought, I'm thinking he's not in good condition, right? Okay, so a lot of things are there. Okay, you can speak up to yourself, right? It's a very good culture, right, of developing your English. There is a very best idea, I think, right? You could see me that how I'm doing here, and you might be thinking that what he is doing. No, I'm just telling you that how you could also do this way. It's a very difficult task to talking yourself alone, right? You won't understand, and you might be realize and do one day and tell me, right? So you talk to yourself and tell me one day that how difficult it is to talk to yourself looking at your face. It's some like a kind of talking to your friends, talking to your relatives, talking to any audience, talking to audiences like this, na. So that way you can also do. It can help you a lot in improving your mouth movements, improving your words delivery, and a lot of thing. I'm personally feeling so, right. So guys, this was the thing that how you can initiate a random talk, okay, without having ideas. You can talk of to yourself, to the things around you, right. So this is the thing I wanted to show, I wanted to tell you all about, right. See, this one, the crow is still sitting on the branches, right. It's called on the branches, a preposition, on the branches, right. Bird flying in the sky, flying in the sky, right. Very weak, na. The space of the sky is very weak, therefore it could be in, right. The preposition, what does it mean? A grammatical concept that keeps relationship between two nouns or pronouns, right. That is preposition. So it is on the trees, on the branches of the trees, flying in the sky, okay. There, over my head, now it's over my head, flying over my head. So this is the preposition, right. Preposition means position, right. Position in context to another noun. What is the position of that noun in compare or in context to another noun or pronoun, right. So this is my first blog on upstairs, no on upstairs, it's upstairs. And some people are gazing at me that what the man is doing there. A very small place, right. Here very less people talk in English. They know English, but they could understand you, but they don't speak here, right. I'm gonna show you one day in the market, local market, okay. That would be a very beautiful blog, and I will walk out and show you what's the thing around, and how people understand. That is a shop, okay. That's a online shop. We had a visit some days back, okay, just after this building, right. Ramco Super Great, that is written in Odia, right. And after that there is an online shop. The shop owner is very good in English, and I had once visited with my friend, and we people are talking, then he also started responding that way, right. So it was really good to hear him, and talking for a long time, or 3-4 minutes. Okay, whatever, the things are very good here. The place is very pleasant, peaceful, right. Very small place, but very distant areas, calm and peaceful, and no pollution, right. Small town, no pollution at all. People, the locals are very cooperative here, right. This is the place, this is a small place, a small shop where I buy my things, my daily necessities. I do not go any mall, right. I purchase all my vegetables from the streets there, okay. Now people will come up, they will place all their vegetables, okay. And I love to do this kind of things, I really love this thing, okay. And I urge you people also do like this. No matter how much money, how much you earn, that doesn't matter, right. Your things must be get done. My only urge, my only intention, that your things must be get done, right. What is difference in buying all the rations in a mall and buying from where? There is a mall in Banjnagar also, and okay, fruit stall and vegetable stalls, a lot of things are there, right. But I prefer to buy from the street. I love to see, okay. So this is the thing here, right? So hello guys, finally I wanted to tell you that how can we speak of English randomly without having any prior ideas about all that thing, and how can you collect your ideas all of a sudden in describing a lot of things around you and speak up for a very long time, right? So this is what I wanted to tell you, and a lot of things, right? You may be seeing how I am also thinking a many good number of times that while collecting my ideas, okay, related to the different things I'm seeing at, and right, so this is the thing that you can also do and record your videos and this way and upload like this, okay. So you should have also this kind of habit of recording your videos and conversing to yourself, and no doubt I'm conversing to a lot of people, okay. After uploading, a lot of people have their opinions on me that how Sambalpuria Babu, Sambalpuria Pilla is doing the work, right? So I'm just open up about myself that how people will also do, right? So that's my prime motives, right? All the time I have open up myself to okay, to the arena of other judgmental, so that will really be very workout. So finally you suggest me that what other things are happening with me also, you can suggest, you can learn from me as well. Okay, so you try out that how you would be ready to speak up. So this is my intentions. Try to speak random English without having any ideas, and just speak out and try to develop your fluency, right? So bye guys, so this will be the blog today, and I hope you will enjoy with a message here. And my message was all about how can you speak English without having any ideas. And okay, so bye for now. ठीक है, if you love my videos then you should like, share and subscribe my channel, right, for getting more videos like this with a message, right? So thank you so much, see you.